here. Welcome to MP World and welcome to another solution based video on my channel. In this video today I will show you how to fix your iPhone is not charging with your regular charger or USB lightning cable. So on my hand this is iPhone 13 Pro Max and this phone is not charging with this USB lightning cable. So this USB lightning cable, you can see this is totally fine, this is no damage and like it's totally new and fresh condition, but my phone is not charging with this charger. Don't worry about it, I will show you the easiest way to fix this problem. You can see there is a little bit gap between the lightning cable or lightning port and the charging hole. That means inside this there is some dirt. So I will show you how to clean this dirt or how to fix this problem. Okay, now let's begin the procedure. In this video I am using the contact cleaner, Philips contact cleaner, which is available on Amazon, and this product you can also get it in any mobile accessory shop, so no need to worry about it. And if you don't have this contact cleaner, then you can use car fuel, but I will use this contact cleaner because this won't damage your phone if you spray, because this product is certified. Now let's watch the procedure how to do it. You can see this is working legit. Please let me know on your iPhone it is working or not. And thank you for watching guys, and if you like my video please share and subscribe my channel. I will see you with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy.